Staying on top of marketing trends today is key if you want your brand to get noticed. This includes keeping up with what's new in corporate video, especially if you're a tech company and want clients to see you as innovative and ahead of the curve. Whether you're looking to create a video marketing ad or increase the video content within your brand's social media, here are our business video trend predictions for 2023. We predict that the technological jump in the art world will make the biggest breakthroughs in corporate videos. One such advancement is, of course, AI-generated art. If you've been paying attention, you've seen the growing popularity of tools like Midjourney, dall-e, and ChatGPT. They have gained traction not only due to their impressive capabilities, but also because of the discussion about whether or not generated art is creative, valuable, or even ethical. Using AI to generate images and text is very cool, but is it also practical when it comes to marketing videos? Obviously, the technology is not as advanced enough to create the perfect script or illustrations for a corporate explainer video. Not yet anyway. But with the growing demand of video content and accessibility of the technology, I bet we'll be seeing AI elements in a growing number of creator, influencer, and business videos this year. Yet, solving complex problems with video still requires a lot of work from actual people. One amazing application of AI will result in a growing trend this year: rotoscoping. Rotoscoping is the process of tracing live-action footage by animators to create a realistic movement. This process was done entirely frame by frame in the past, and it took many painstaking hours of work. Thanks to modern technology, now it can be entirely automated. With the likes of Plotograph and Ibisynth, videographers can convert video footage into animation with just a few clicks. The trend has already been well established in TV shows and movies, and it's only a matter of time until it also enters the corporate video field. We predict this year we'll start seeing more and more ads using AI rotoscoping. Motion graphics is a sleek and modern kind of animation that will not be going out of style anytime soon, and it's perfect for IT and tech products as well as for illustrating abstract concepts. What trends do we see happening in motion graphics in 2023? For example, a minimalist color scheme. Designers have realized that the way to stand out in today's noisy surroundings is to be minimal. Using not more than 2 or 3 colors will be a requirement for a stylish present-day video. Kinetic typography is a trend that is only going to be accelerating this year. Moving text is one of the best ways to keep the message clear but also entertaining and memorable. Isometric design makes two-dimensional figures appear three-dimensional and would definitely make a splash this year in a minimalist and clean form. We predict line art isometric designs in pastel or with just one accent hue. So these are some of the trends that we predict in 2023 in the world of corporate videos. It's good to keep this in mind if you plan to create a video for your business this year and you want it to look modern and trendy. But remember, if you really want your explainer video to be effective, it needs to be tailor-made for your brand and your buyers. Trends and fads can never compare to a custom video that follows a well-thought-out strategy. If you're looking to create a video for your business and you want a custom strategy that ensures you meet your goals, you can book your free virtual coffee with us right now. If you like this video, subscribe and give it a like. See you next time.